You read the title, here comes 3 quick tips to speed up your workflow while editing in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. So let's say you want to put your dope shot in slow motion. Normally you'd go to the clip, right click and press speed/duration. Not too much work, but there is an easier way. Simply highlight your clip and press Ctrl R or Command R if you're on a Mac to open up the speed settings, and there you go. Quick and easy. The next shortcut is one of my favorites. Let's say you want to put some effects onto your clip. The effects window is located some clicks away. So instead we press Alt+7 and there we have it. Time saver. So you have made a selection of a long clip and you want to go back to it and look for more usable shots. Instead of searching through all the project files or right-clicking on the clip and pressing Reveal in Project, just highlight the clip and press F to make it appear in the source monitor. There you will see the current selection and then you can scrub through and select some more. These shortcuts will save you a lot of time so you can create more content and make more money. I'm David and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Take care.